I'm going to show you all how to change the rear brake pads of a Triumph Speed 400. I'm going to do it on mine so you all can know how easy of a DIY it is. First you're going to have to remove this clip lock, this pin which holds the lock in place. It's like this. Second, you're going to need a Torx screw, T30 size. I got this set on Amazon for $280. Just loosen it. And then pull it out. Pads can come out. Wiggle them a little. Pull them straight out. Mine were rubbed almost entirely. You can see, you can't see those lines. So what you're going to do now is you have to push the piston back in. There's no need to refill the brake fluid now. Mine has only run for about 9,500 kilometers. So you have to take your old brake pads and apply even pressure and push it back in. Before doing that, you make sure there's no debris around the piston itself, so just clean it with some brake cleaner, or maybe if you have a chain cleaner or something, just put some over there and clean it with a brush. Now that it is clean, you can push it back in, apply force. Now you can see it has gone in, the piston. You can put your new brake pads in. I will show you. I have got the caliper centered. The model number is FT165G1371. I bought it from Top Block for 2600 including shipping. It's a perfect match. Look at the difference. Pressing it back is also simple. Start with one, adjust this accordingly. There is a lock there in the behind of the rubber. Same thing with the front. You have to put the pin in. Supposed to place it in this little groove over here. That's it. For the first few times, just pump the brake a little bit, let the pressure build up, and that is it. Start it.